Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Good evening and welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host here tonight. We're taking a hard look at the latest developments in the UK's electric vehicle scene and what's going terribly wrong with one of Britain's biggest EV makers. Fisker Inc., an American startup, launched its first all-electric SUV, the Fisker Ocean, into the UK market last year, but it's been a rocky ride ever since. With ambitious plans to produce 50,000 vehicles a year by 2023, the brand was plagued with missed production targets, supply delays, and mechanical issues. The company has been besieged by issues around its EV SUV, the Ocean, which has left many owners worried about their cars becoming unrepairable. The concerns are not just limited to the UK market. American Lease, a leasing firm, agreed to buy around 3,300 cars from Fisker's remaining inventory last year for $46.3 million. But even this deal couldn't save the struggling brand. Now, we're seeing hundreds of vehicles up for sale on popular car websites, with some owners facing massive losses. In fact, more than 400 Fisker Oceans have been delivered to the UK since December 2023, and owners could find themselves £70,000 out of pocket if their cars become unfixable. The lack of qualified EV mechanics at independent garages is also a major concern, making repairs a huge headache for many owners. And with the supply of replacement mechanical parts dwindling due to failing components, damage succumbed in accidents, and general wear and tear, these cars are ultimately unfixable. But what's really worrying here is that UK owners could potentially be left in possession of EVs that are rendered undrivable if over-the-air updates are no longer available. This is a scenario played out in the US, where American Lease's deal included a 5-year access to Fisker's servers for over-the-air updates. But now, those owners may face the same fate. Fisker's closure comes 8 years after it was launched by veteran Danish car designer Henrik Fisker, who spearheaded the development of the BMW Z8 sports car in the 1990s. So, what went wrong? And what lessons can be learned from this failed EV startup? These are questions that need answering, and at Electro Drive News, we'll keep a close eye on this developing story. We'll bring you updates as more information comes to light, and we'll examine the implications for the UK's electric vehicle market. That's all for tonight, but stay tuned, because this is just the beginning of our investigation into Fisker Inc.'s dramatic downfall.